The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is more than just a smartphone. It's the future in your pocket. Picture this, a titanium-framed masterpiece that blends breathtaking design with groundbreaking innovation. But we're just scratching the surface. Let's dive into what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra the most anticipated smartphone of 2025. Imagine powering through your day without a single hiccup. At its core, the S25 Ultra is driven by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, overclocked for jaw-dropping performance. Early benchmarks suggest this chip is 30% faster than its predecessor, making even the most demanding tasks like 8K video editing or high-end gaming feel like a breeze. Add up to 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 XRAM, and multitasking becomes second nature. Switching between apps? Seamless. Running graphics-intensive games? Effortless. Speaking of gaming, let's pause for a moment. Samsung's partnership with Qualcomm has given us the Adreno Frame Motion Engine 2.0. What does this mean for gamers? Games that once maxed out at 60 Hz now run at a stunning 120 Hz. Imagine the smoothest, most immersive gaming experience all on a phone. And thanks to Qualcomm's Snapdragon Game Super Resolution, every pixel is optimized for breathtaking clarity without draining your battery or overheating your device. And then there's the display. The 6.8-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED screen is an absolute showstopper, with a peak brightness of 2,800 nits. Yes, 2,800. This font is perfect for sunny days and cinematic nights. The 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures every scroll, every swipe, and every frame feels like silk. This isn't just a screen, it's an experience. Now let's talk cameras. The Galaxy S25 Ultra takes mobile photography to a level we've never seen before. A 200 MP ISO sensor that captures every detail, no matter the lighting. Paired with a 50 MP ultra-wide lens, a 10 MP periscope lens offering up to 10x optical zoom, and a 50 MP telephoto lens, you've got a setup that can rival professional DSLR cameras. Want to record in 8K at 30 or 4K at 120 done. And with Samsung's new AI-powered image processing, every shot is optimized for clarity and vibrance. Whether you're capturing landscapes or portraits, the results will leave you speechless. Battery life is often a deal-breaker for many, but Samsung didn't hold back here. The S25 Ultra features a robust 5,000 mAh battery, coupled with 45 kW fast charging. What does that mean? A full day of intense use, and when you do need to charge, you're back to 50% in just 20 minutes. And with new AI-driven battery optimization in One UI 7.0, your phone learns your habits to stretch battery life even further. But it's not just about power, it's about intelligence. Running on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a refined, intuitive user experience. Advanced AI capabilities make your phone smarter, predicting your needs, streamlining your workflow, and even customizing your notifications to reduce clutter. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. The design? Simply stunning, with its titanium frame and polished metallic shades, including the head-turning titanium blue. The S25 Ultra feels as premium as it looks. Rounded edges make it comfortable to hold, while the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 3 ensures it can handle everyday wear and tear. And let's not forget the phone's IP68 rating, giving you peace of mind against water and dust. Now, the big question: what's the price? Rumors suggest a starting price of $1,299 for the Ultra model. Yes, it's premium, but considering the cutting-edge features, the revolutionary design, and the unparalleled performance, it's a worthy investment for anyone who demands the best. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future. From its unmatched gaming performance and professional-grade camera system to its smart, intuitive software, this device sets a new benchmark for what a smartphone can be. So the question remains, will you be one of the first to embrace the future? Stay tuned, because the Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just coming, it's about to redefine the game.